Hey guys, what is up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxi, and today we are going to cook Indian food. I came across this channel, Kapita's Kitchen. She's got over 4.4 million subscribers and really delicious looking food, so I decided to give this Maggi dish a shot. This dish is fully vegetarian, fresh good ingredients, easy to prepare. Let me show what we got here. So that's really all we need today. All the ingredients can be found below, as well as Kapita's Kitchen channel, go check her out. Now let's get to work. And as usual, let's first do the cooking and then we will have a quick beer review at the end. Stay tuned. Now let's first heat up the oil in a pan. Then we will add the onions and fry for 2 minutes. Now we will go in with the green peas, tomatoes, red chili and a little bit of salt. Now let's cook for another 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, open the bag of noodles. So here we have the noodles and here we have the tastemakers, which will be used later. Now let's make sure nothing burns here. Now in goes the water and the noodles. A little bit of salt. Now let's cook this for about 1.5 minutes, or as the noodles are like 80% ready. I think that's about it, so now we set this aside and start preparing the Punjabi Tadka. So we first heat up a butter and a little bit of oil on this pan. We will then add the garlic and the chilies. Now just fry it for a minute. Now we add in the chili powder. The noodles back in the heat. Now add the tastemakers and the Garam Masala powder. Now give it a good mix and add the Tadka. And this is it, we are ready to taste. I think this looks gorgeous. I've never been to India, but I can definitely smell Indian flavors coming up. Let's have a taste. Wow, the heat coming up, it's unbelievable. This is next level noodles. Given the really easy preparation, the fresh ingredients, the price of this dish, really, what can it be? Like €2 max. I will give this 9 out of 10. Really good stuff. Highly recommended meal. Now let's go for the beer. Now today's beer is Tbs American Pale Ale. It says Amarillo Citra 5.2%, coming from our neighbor Sweden. Let's have a taste. Seems to be really bubbly, really fresh smell, like citrusy smell. You can buy these from Pien, the #1 beer shop here in Finland. I will put the link down below. Don't miss that if you are in Helsinki area. Now I'm going in. Alright, I was actually wrong. This is not as bubbly as I thought it would be, and this is exactly the reason I'm not a real beer expert. When you first drink it, it could even use a little bit more gas, but anyway, the taste is really good. It's definitely unfiltered beer. Really good beer, but it could use a little bit more bubbles for my taste. Anyway guys, I have no problem finishing this can of beer. It's delicious for sure. This is it for today. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please leave a comment below if you have any other good recipes I could try. That's it for now, so see you next time.